Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can reset our WordPress password without our email address. Suppose I have to log into this website and I know the username and I don't know the password and I don't have access of that email ID also. Okay, so how can I reset that password? So there is one easy way that if you have a hosting credential, then you can directly reset your password from cPanel. So how we can do this? That's really very easy. So let's go to the cPanel first of all, and in the cPanel you will find your PHP My Admin. Okay, you need to click on this. After clicking on this, you will see here one database. So as you can see here, that's my PHP My Admin, and as you can find your host name and database. So let's click on the sign in. Just click on sign in, and now this will redirect you to the PHP My Admin panel. Okay, here. Now in the left side you will find your plus icon. Just click on this, and as you can see here, there are a lot of link, option and etc. So in the left side you will find the option of users. See this one, users. Click on this, and as you can see I have this email ID and I have that password, but this password definitely will not use. Okay, so what we need to do here, we need to just click on the edit first, then we need to change this password. Okay, so this is the password, so we need to change this to the MD5. Okay, and you can see MD5, and now you need to enter the password, suppose TCB123. Okay, and then you need to update this. Just click on go. It's done. Now let's go here and let's refresh this TCB123. Okay, and let's click on login. Done. So that's the amazing thing. You can reset your password if you don't have access of your email ID. So that's the amazing. So if you need any help on that, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.